What's up, guys? So I just got off work and my sprockets from Amazon finally came in. Today I'm gonna just be doing the front sprocket. Actually, I have somewhere to be in a little bit, but I'm also waiting on a chain. But when my chain comes, I'll be doing the video on the rear sprocket as well. So if you guys need to do that, just stay tuned. I'll have that up probably by the weekend, but today I'm gonna just throw on the front sprocket, because it's pretty easy. You just gotta basically take this cover off, take off the sprocket, and then once you put on the new one, because I'm going down a tooth to a 14, I'm gonna also have to tighten the chain, but I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get into it, and hey, I'll get to you guys when I get set up. Alright guys, I accidentally forgot to start recording, but basically where you're gonna start, there's 3 bolts on this little cover right here to take it off. One right here, one on top, and then one right down here below the shifter, which is kind of a pain to get to. And they are gonna be 8mm. And then basically once you get this cover off, that will expose the sprocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these 3 bolts off, get this cover off, and then I'll get to you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, so once you get those bolts off, you're just gonna kind of want to maneuver this out. Go ahead and pull up on this. Release these wires. Maybe a little tricky to get out, but just kind of maneuver it around and it should come out just like that. And then basically that'll show us the sprocket. It should be a 10mm. So we're gonna go ahead and break that loose. Loose.
Alright guys, so once you get this off,
basically gonna have this little piece right here. It's just basically gonna twist and come off on these little splines right here. And then I'll go ahead and get the sprocket ready. If you guys want a link to the sprocket, it's pretty easy to find on Amazon. Just search up JT sprockets for GROM. So basically it's pretty simple. You're just gonna pull on it, come off. Go ahead and take out this old one. May take a little line to make sure you got everything lined up. There it is. you want to make sure it's going to push all the way back. Make sure you have it going the right way. There it is. Then you're just basically going to push this back on. Make sure you twist it. If you're having trouble twist this, make sure the sprocket's pushed all the way back. You're going to need to put this on and then twist it for the lock. And then, yeah, basically just thread those 10 mils back in, put the cover back on, and then if you need to adjust the chain, you're going to go back there and do your chain adjustments to tighten it up. But that's basically it. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. And if you guys have any other questions, just leave in the comments down below. I can help you guys out, but leave a like and a sub. It helps a lot. And, yay, just stay tuned.